G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In the tutorial today, we are going to be looking at Magic Studio, and in particular, we are going to be looking at Magic Morph. So where do we get to Magic Morph in Canva? Or how do we get to Magic Morph in Canva? There's a couple of ways of doing it. When you open your home screen, you can go to Magic Studio and you will scroll down and you will see Magic Morph. So you just simply click on Magic Morph and it will open up. You can try Magic Morph and it will give you an example page with the 1, 2 boxes and whatnot that you've got to fill out and attach an image. The other way of doing or getting to Magic Morph is to go to Apps, type in Magic Morph and click on that. Use in existing design or use in new design. So again, use in new design, Instagram post portrait. It will open up the canvas and it will also open up the sidebar. Alright, so just close down that window. The other way to get to Magic Morph is to go back to your home screen and create a design, Instagram post portrait, square, and on the left hand side here, if it doesn't already come up because you have used the app, alright, like I have there, you simply just go into apps and go to the search bar here and type Magic Morph. It will bring up the icon, click on the icon and it will bring up the sidebar ready for you to use Magic Morph. Okay, so how do we use Magic Morph? Well, we need to go into elements and we need to choose an element. So I did this before, so I'm going to go in here and choose the chair. Alright, go back to Magic Morph app here. It's selected an element for your design, and what we can do is we can morph this into a red 3D plastic balloon chair. Alright, and then we just go Magic Morph and it will bring 4 selections up for us. It'll generate 4 selections. Each of those selections will be slightly different, which is good. Alright, so it's given us a red chair. I'll bring that one in. And it's given us kind of like a balloon effect. Alright, that one. And that one. Okay. So they don't look too bad. Alright. So again, I used a few examples back here. So for this one, I'll use text. Alright, I'll just go hello for the text. I'll expand this out a bit. Okay, so again, go back to the Magic Morph. Alright, select the text. And as an example, we'll go red balloon 3D and press Magic Morph, and it should bring up 4 examples of 3D text in a balloon type effect or look. So once that's generated, we'll bring those into our design. As you can see there, there's that one, which looks like a pretty good balloon effect. That one there, again, a balloon effect in 3D. That one there, and that one there. Alright, so they're pretty good effects. Alright, so we can go back. We'll generate another one. We'll use an example here of the pour, and red 3D dotted, and we'll go Magic Morph and see what that brings up. So we can use elements such as chairs, text, and pause. There's a variety of other elements that we can use. Alright, so this one's generated a nice 3D type of pour effect. Okay, there we go. There, and that one. Alright, so they're pretty cool balloon type pour effects. Alright, now what we can also do is we can create like a bit of a poster. So I'll bring that one into there, bring the table and put the table next to it there. I'll hang this pot plant from the ceiling. Alright, and what else? I'll put this lampshade here on the table. Just drop it down in size. Alright, so what we're going to do is create some text as well, and I'll put 50% off sale, and I'll put this down here. Alright, so we're going to morph all these items into something different. So we've selected the text, and we'll go vintage gold rustic text for that one, and we'll go Magic Morph, and that will give us 4 examples of the description that we've put in there. So when that comes up, we'll check it, and we'll select the best of the lot, and we'll go and make a creative design. Alright, so we'll select that one in there. That looks pretty decent. Select that one in there. Okay, select that one there. Alright, and that one there. Alright, I think I like that one, so I'll get rid of these, get rid of that, put that there. Okay, and then with this one, we'll go back and we'll create a, let's see, orange velvet 3D chair. We'll go Magic Morph. And again, that will generate 4 examples. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I think we'll just choose this one. Bring that in. Some nice gold legs. Alright, we'll enlarge that there. And send that to back. And I reckon with this one, we go metallic green table with white stripe. See what that brings for us. Just use your imagination with all these descriptions. It'll either accept it or not accept it. Alright, so there we go, we've got a bit of a white stripe, so we'll delete that table. I reckon this table here has what we're after. Okay, increase the size of that. Alright, and with the lamp, again, come back to there, go back there, and we will go, let's try this, 50 style lamp shade retro. Go Magic Morph, let's see what description, what picture that gives us from the description we filled in. So Canva have really put together a great suite of apps in their Magic Studio. This is one of them, and yeah, it's really good. So there you go, we've got a lampshade. I reckon this one, alright, it looks like it's got a little bit of a gold bit to it there. Not quite fully formed, but that's alright. We'll put that there. Reduce the size slightly. Okay, and with this pot plant, we'll go back and we'll put there retro color, modern style pot. There you go, Magic Morph, and we'll see what that brings us. And we'll just change, no, I won't change that just yet. Because I will lose it. Yeah, so when it's making its decision, don't go changing anything. So yeah, it's thinking, so it takes its time. Technology will take its time from time to time. And just about there. Okay, so almost. So I did try this before and, oh cool, there we go. So that's kind of changed the pot color. So I like this blue, we'll go with this blue. Alright, so there you go. Now what we can do is change the background color. Alright, and we can come over here and we can choose shadow. So we'll choose this drop shadow. Okay, and we'll place this here. Okay, go to layer, send backwards. Alright, we can duplicate that. Come here. Alright, just make it a little bit more realistic. Duplicate. Alright, and go layer, send backwards, layer, send backwards, duplicate. All right, duplicate, put that under there. Duplicate, put that under there. Duplicate and put that under there. All right, so there, layer, send backwards. All right, layer, send backwards. No, that's not right. That's probably meant to go to back. Yep, so anyway, you can muck around with that. And there you pretty much have it. That is Canva's Magic Morph. We'll go into here, we'll go edit. All right, we can't edit photo because that's come out of there. So any sort of, I guess, discrepancies in regards to this sort of stuff, you can save that down as a PNG, upload it, and delete any of the, things that are wrong with it. That's pretty much it. There is your design based on the Magic Morph. So I hope you learned something as part of this tutorial. As always, I appreciate any feedback, so drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Fun with Canva. Until the next tutorial. Bye for now.